What's up guys, it's Abdul Kamil here. As you can see, I got a new ball. And today, we're just going to be focusing on dribbling. That's it, nothing else. So let's get into it.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay, today.
Alright guys, here I'm done. I'm about to go home. But before I go home, I want to give you guys advice. Train both of your feet. I'm serious. It is very important. Like, why do you want to be one-footed, man? You're in disadvantage if you're using one foot. You got two legs, man. Use both of them. Also, when scouts are watching you, you're gonna look good if you're using both feet. They're gonna be like, yo, look at that guy, you know. He's using both feet. Shiz, let me get his dad's number. Come to trials. I'm serious, man. But train both feet, use them in games and in training. That's my advice. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and also turn the notification on so every time I post you get notified. In a bit, peace.